4. Clutch. The clutch is a crucial safety feature found in many modern drills. It disengages the drill's motor from the chuck when a certain level of resistance is encountered, preventing over-tightening of screws or damage to the drill and workpiece. The next component is the switch and trigger. The switch and trigger assembly controls the operation of the drill, allowing users to turn it on or off, and also adjust the speed as needed. Some drills feature variable speed triggers, enabling precise control over the drilling process. 6. Handle and grip. Comfort and ergonomics play a vital role in the design of a power drill. Handles are often equipped with rubberized grips to provide a secure and comfortable hold, thereby reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Another crucial component to look at is the housing and casing. The outer shell of the power drill, known as the housing or casing, encloses and protects its internal components. It is typically made from durable materials such as plastic or metal, with ventilation slots to dissipate heat generated during operation. 8. Battery. That is for cordless drills. In cordless drills, the battery serves as a portable power source, providing the necessary energy to drive the motor. Lithium-ion batteries. Do you know why lithium-ion batteries are used? We would soon release a short video, which will explain why the use of lithium-ion batteries and not other types. The ninth and the last component is the LED, which is the work light. However, not all power drills have this component. It is optional. Many modern power drills feature integrated LED work lights to illuminate the drilling area, enhancing visibility and accuracy, especially in dimly lit spaces. There are other components, but the ones discussed in the video are the main ones. Now, understanding the inner workings of a power drill not only fosters a deeper appreciation for its functionality, but also equips users with the knowledge to make informed decisions when selecting and maintaining this indispensable tool. Once again, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay notified anytime we release a new video. Also, like, comment and share the video as well. Bye, and see you in the next video.